Thank you, Attorney Adrian Bustos. This is it. Who among our top 5 will take home the crown tonight? Ladies, good luck.
Let's go.
Oh, so excited right now. I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. Our Miss Universe 2024 runner-up is
Taki!
Miss Universe Philippines 2024
Baguio!
Oh my God, Chelsea! Allah! Oh my God!
Three left. Our Miss Universe 2024 second runner-up is
Quezon Province!
Oh my God! Oh my God, Chelsea! Oh my God, Chelsea! Oh my God, Chelsea! Oh my God, Chelsea! Oh my God! Allah! Naiyak na ako kay Chelsea. Chelsea! Oh, puta! Chelsea! Ulakan! Ulakan!
will receive the Mega World Sangita Award. She will also become
Oh my God.
the ambassador of the Philippine Airlines, Jelly, Keegan, Queen,
Oh my
Surge
God.
Fitness,
It's Chelsea!
PLDT Home, and Bingo Plus.
It's Chelsea! First black. Yes. Yes. Woman of color.
Ladies,
Chelsea, please.
you ready for this moment? Harmony, you are this woman right here. This is it, you guys, and we are all going to witness one night as we crown the new
Naiyak
Miss
talaga ako.
Universe Philippines. The Miss Universe Philippines will be crowned with the Lumiere and Majestic crown from Jewelry, embellished with golden South Sea pearls considered as Filipino gems. Each living pearl is a testament to Filipino heritage, rarity, uniqueness, and diversity. A symbol of wisdom and enlightenment emanating from the spirit of a national treasure. Okay, Mara, I want to know, who do you think is going to take home the crown?
Sinisilip niya.
I'm so tense and excited.
Oh my gosh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth.